Today we just gonna play some Don't Press the Button 4. Be the first one finds and press the button. You don't know what I found them. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Find the button! Oh my god. Find the button. Oh my god. No one's gonna find it. Where'd it go? You cheated! How do you know how to cheat? Survive the bowling paths. Oh no. No. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. 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 Oh my gosh. I'm scared. No. No. Oh my gosh. No. No! Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! Remembering, I don't know. Oh my god. I fixed this one. I don't want to break it. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. What the heck? I don't know what's that saying. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my god, you better run! Run! Oh my god. No, 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 no. Miss me. Pizza, pizza. Pizza! No, 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 no! You, oh, sorry. Oh my god. No, 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 no! Oh my god! 5 players won! Well, I want a 1. I gotta press this button. Think fast. Ah! How did you let you break me? Why did he use to say think fast? Oh my gosh. Oh no! 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 That was a close one. Oh, it's not a coin. It's coin. Alright. Jump up the logs and reach the end. Oh my god. I'm not gonna jump it. I'm not gonna. It's impossible! What do I tell you? Oh my god. How do I do it? How? This is impossible. How do you know this one? I'm kidding. Oh my god! If we do this, I'm gonna rain. So mad now. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I know you're not gonna do this. I'm gonna eat some tacos and watermelon. I'm gonna go to the store. Into the castle. There's like a Bowser castle right here. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is possibly can be. Oh no, no, the floor is lava! The floor is lava! Alright, now you can go! The basics is so epical! We have to wait, because this floor is lava. Now you can go. Jump! Jump! Woo! That was kidding me? This floor is lava again. You're gonna die. Yeah, you found some treasure. You made it. Let's get out of this castle. And now, this is the end. If you don't press the button, you might be die. No, just kidding. Why do you get rings? You made it. Yeah. What are you doing? I just pressed the button. We're in space. Wow, it might be flying. Let's get out of here with this one. No. Yeah, we're in space. We jumped. Wee. Alright, let's go some super time. Oh, why? Knock on the door. How do you know this is not Halloween yet? Oh, he knocked on the door. Huh? Oh my god, he's got a Halloween candy! Trick or treat! It's not Halloween yet. It's not Halloween! Wait a minute, what's happening with the... Oh, it becomes tiny! Oh my god! How do you know this is so tiny? Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go to the yellow one. Oh! Where's the 5? Whoa! Where's the... get the blue one! Get the blue one! Get the blue one! No! I'm done with this game. I give up. I give up!